a doctor in your near future? I repeat, how many of you would like to become a doctor in your near future? Could you please raise your hand? What type of specialized doctor would you like to become?
I haven't decided it.
Cardiologist. Great. Well, do you know there are different types of doctors? Now, my friends will bring to limelight the different types of doctors they wish to become in their near future. Come, let's know.
Namaste friends, I wish to become a hepatologist who is a specialist in curing the diseases in the liver.
Namaste friends, I wish to become a neonatologist. Neonatology is a branch of medicine which deals with care, development and diseases of a newborn infant.
Namaste friends, I wish to become a neurologist. A neurologist specializes in diagnosis and treatment of all types of disease and functions of the brain, spine, peripheral, nerves, muscles and nervous system.
Namaste friends, I wish to become an endocrinologist. Endocrinology is a complex study of various hormones and their action and disorders in the body.
Namaste friends, I wish to become a gastroenterologist specialist in disease of the digestive system.
Namaste friends, I wish to become a dentist, a doctor for teeth and jaw bones. A dentist, also known as a dental surgeon, is a person who specializes in dentistry, the diagnosis, prevention and treatment of diseases and conditions of oral cavity.
Namaste friends, I wish to become a cardiologist. A cardiologist is a doctor who specializes in studies or treatment of heart diseases or heart abnormalities.
Namaste friends, I wish to become a gynecologist, the branch of medicine dealing with health care of women, especially they treat, diagnose the disorders affecting the female reproductive system.
Namaste friends, I wish to become a dermatologist, a specialist in dermatology, especially a doctor who specializes in the treatment of disease of the skin.
Namaste friends, I wish to become an orthopedist. An orthopedic surgeon is a physician who corrects congenital or functional abnormalities of the bones with surgery, casting and bracing. An orthopedist also treats injuries to the bones.
Namaste friends, I wish to become an ophthalmologist, a specialist who concerned with the study and treatment of disorders and disease in the eye.
Namaste friends, I wish to become hematologist. Hematology, the diagnosis, treatment, prevention in the disease of the blood and bone marrow, as well as of the immunologic, hemostatic and vascular system.
Namaste friends, I wish to become an anesthesiologist, a specialist who administers an anesthetic to a patient before he is treated.
Namaste friends, I wish to become a pediatrician, a child specialist.
Namaste friends, I wish to become an oncologist. An oncologist specializes in diagnosis and treatment of